Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy. Today I want to talk about the present tense of regular verbs in German. The best thing overall is that in German there's just one present tense. But unfortunately we have regular and irregular verbs. And in this video I want to show you how to conjugate the regular verbs. And in my course, the regular verbs are marked by the color green. To see my entire course, please click on the first link in the description. The ending of the verb is determined by the personal pronoun. The subject in the sentence always uses the nominative case and is also visualized by me with green, because it has a direct influence on the conjugation of the verb. Besides the nominative, there are other cases, but I'll explain that in one of the next videos. The personal pronoun I in German is ich. In the first lesson of my course we had the regular verb kommen, which means to come in English. All verbs in the infinitive form end in en, and this endings changes with the personal pronoun. In the first person singular it becomes ich komme. Let's take a quick look at an example sentence. Ich komme aus Spanien, which means I come from Spain. It is important to always put the language into context so that it does not remain abstract and you learn more naturally. And in my course, every sentence has an image with colors to see and feel the grammar. The green background tells me that it is a regular verb. The subject is also green. And here, aus Spanien is orange, because the preposition aus uses the dative case. Isn't it great? Now, how does our verb changes with the other personal pronouns? Du kommst aus Spanien. You come from Spain. The ending for the second person singular is st. Kommt aus Spanien. He comes from Spain. The ending for the first person singular is t. Es kommt aus Spanien. It comes from Spain. The neuter pronoun is es. Sie kommt aus Spanien. She comes from Spain. The feminine pronoun is sie. Now let's have a look at the plural. Wir kommen aus Spanien. We come from Spain. The ending for the first person plural is en. Ihr kommt aus Spanien. You all come from Spain. The ending for the second person plural is t. Sie kommen aus Spanien. They come from Spain. The ending for the third person plural is again en. When we speak directly to someone, there always are two possibilities: formal or informal. The informal form is du or ihr, and the formal version is sie and is always capitalized. And it doesn't matter whether I'm talking to one person, Sie kommen aus Spanien, you, formal, come from Spain, or to several people. Sie kommen aus Spanien, you all, formal, come from Spain. We always find the conjugation in the third person plural. Sie is a form of politeness that we use when we do not know the other person. We use du and ihr when we know the person better. This is how regular verbs are conjugated in the present tense. So always remember these endings: est, t, en, That's all for now. And I look forward to see you again in our next video. And that you don't miss anything, please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and thank you very much for watching.